Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, attorney at law here. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Seattle and I represent people who are injured in car accidents. And today I wanted to talk to you about low impact cases. A lot of people have questions about, what's a low impact case and how does it affect my case? A low impact case generally is designated by the insurance company as little or no damage to your car caused by their insured. And that could be less than $1,000. It could just be like no visible damage except for maybe a scratch or two on the car. And a lot of times these are tough cases because insurance companies are going to fight back on these cases. But it doesn't always have to be that way. You don't always have to let the insurance company know exactly what happened to your car. And that's why I kind of try to counsel my clients to go through their own insurance company to get their own insurance company to make all the repairs and do all the pictures, all the photographs of the damage to your car. Because if you go through the third party, the defendant's insurance company, to repair your car, they're going to get a first look at your car and they're going to be able to say, take pictures of everything and say, look, there's no damage to this. We're not going to pay anything on it. But if they're kind of in the dark on it until like they absolutely need to reveal this information to the insurance company, then you give them that information and you can go at that point. But, if their car on their insured is showing a lot of damage, which often is the case, often, bumpers are so strong that the front bumper on the other car could be just, the hood's pushed up. There's a lot of damage, but there's like no damage on your car because your car was really well built and has like a really strong enforced bumper. There may not be nothing on your bumper. So if you give them, the defendant's insurance company, first look at your car, and they have their own insured's car, that they're not going to reveal to you. They don't have to, unless you file a lawsuit, which you don't often want to do because, it just kind of takes a long time and gets messy at that point. But if you go through your own insurance company, they only have to look at their own insured's car and the damage to their car. So if you can kind of play that game where you kind of hide that from them and they just have to look at their car, then they don't really have the ability to say, look, there's nothing on your car, even though you can't see the huge damage that's on our car. They're going to offer you nothing in those cases. But if there is like nothing on their car and there's nothing on your car, it makes it a really tough case both ways. But there are still options for your case in those situations where you do get the medical treatment. A lot of times you can get the medical bills reduced, or an attorney can get the medical bills reduced that the insurance company, your insurance company through PIP, is paid. And that offset could be the difference between getting money in your pocket and walking away with nothing and owing money to possible medical providers. So these are good cases, especially to hire a lawyer for, because they're very complex issues and medical and money reductions that could be possible. So if you happen in a car accident, I give a free consultation. My number here is 206-850-6716.